Last time on Races to Places, poor Basil suffered a big injury at the Kalahari Rally.
Yesterday I broke my swing arm, back in the days of the 950 when I last did that, but it happened, and managed to get a lift off a local farmer back to the road, and then one of the photographers took me back to the refuel, and there was Greg Raff's bike, so I decided that I could swap the swing arm out of that bike. After asking Greg, he was cool with it, so thank you very much, Greg, for that. Got the swing arm in, managed to get back out to the point where my swing arm broken by not going on the race course, so I made my way back, got on the race course to continue the stage. Now I could have finished the stage in daylight, no problem at all, but when I got to the fuel stop, the organisation told me, you're out, you can't finish the stage in the daylight, which I didn't agree with. I could have finished, but you know, at the end of the day, they put the rally on, they make the rules, and they say what happens. So I just sucked it up and rode back to the bivouac, and it was a real disappointment. But in actual fact, this morning I woke up, the organisation have reconsidered, and they've given me a penalty for what happened, but they've allowed me to continue in the race. So they call it a cut and run penalty, basically where you have to not finish one day. I 100% could have finished the stage, which is the most frustrating thing for me. Dropped from first place down to 5th place, and now I'm an hour 40 behind the leader. So 3 days, 4 stages left, and I'm going to struggle to catch that time back up, but anything can happen in rally, anything can happen to the guys at the front, so we're just going to go out there and give it what we can and give it the best shot.
Not doing what I'm told to do, excited as the world turns on me. Don't get me wrong, I'm not a rebel, just not another damn copy of you. Would you dare to lose? Risky for the best, never feeling perfect, as long as you can say worth it. Start doing the booty, don't get me wrong. Start doing the booty, another damn would you be? Start doing the booty, don't get me wrong, as long as you can say worth it.
Alright. Lose so much time riding without a rear brake. So glad you was here.
Yeah, we could help.
Cheers. Thank you. Well today so far. I boiled my brakes in the first part of the special, my rear brake, but thankfully like just a few kilometres after it started fading, I sort of took at the side of the road and managed to get some brake fluid from them, so using my Leatherman I undid the bleed nipple and managed to bleed it up and put some fresh fluid in, and and it's been great since, so that was good. That was a godsend, that truck being there. That's a better day.
So I was just servicing the bike tonight, and after stage 3, and noticed that the footrest bracket has snapped. So I'm back on a plan, as they say here in South Africa.
After a tough day riding, I bet Lyndon was hoping for a straightforward service on Basel. Get some food, then sleep. But sadly, rallying doesn't always go that way.
So after a late night last night, we made a plan, got the footrest hanger swapped out, and just needed to make a bracket for the exhaust. So I've just MacGyvered that together, and we're almost good to go.
Smooth day for Lyndon and Basil on the Kalahari Rally. Makes a change, yeah?
Good morning. Last day Kalahari Rally 2018. 46 roadbook changes to put in this morning before the start of the rally. Oh, I didn't anticipate this, so might have to delay the start to give me time to get them all done.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine. No, wanna know if I can hit it from behind. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it.
Well, here we go, the last day of the rally. Let's hope there's no technical difficulties.
He's playing Batman, Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. She's fine, wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that as one time. And I got this soda. Women, boys, they know it. Fast money, no show.
Pop it down to 60.26. We need to stop. 15.26 to stop. 15.26. 15.26 is the main road. Come on to 100. We need to stop. Stop's so important because the organisation monitor the GPS to see that you actually stopped. So we always stop for a second just to give it a chance to catch up. And it's 100 here. 15.6 right onto 50.
Another day, 'cause I'm all done fading away, 'cause I'm all done. This is what I do, I just keep running.
Jesus Christ. We can still win this stage. Just got to get all this cack out of my wheel. My hands are cut to shreds now. Just got to pull it all out. Come on!
Save me from everything. Tell me where to find my way. I'm just looking for something. I can't make it another day 'cause I'm all done.
Hello. Oh.
Well son, you and Basil have definitely been tested on this rally, in both riding skills and mechanical skills. I hope you guys at home have enjoyed watching. Leave a comment in the section under the video and give us your thoughts.
Yeah, it's been a hard race with all the breakages and things. Exhaust cracked on day one, clutch problem. Then I snapped the swing arm, which I've never done before on one of these rally bikes. I was unfortunate. And then the footrest hanger snapped off, but other than that it's been a good experience. It's been a hard race, and the terrain and navigation is super complicated. Very, very tricky navigation. The organisation did a good job of getting the road books as good as they did, even though there was a few mistakes in there which caught a lot of riders out and a lot of people getting lost. For the most part, I would say it was 99% good, and that was a good event. Happy that I did it. This is my African race complete now. So I've raced on every continent as part of Races to Places, and I've just got to ride back to the UK from here, and that will complete my round the world adventure. It's been epic, good rally, really good people, a good time, and now it's time to go celebrate.
Next time on Races to Places, we're going on safari in Botswana with Lyndon's girlfriend Camilla.
Hi everyone, I just want to say a massive thank you to you all for watching my media and for all the great comments that I receive every single day. Please keep them coming. I'm just going to share with you my Patreon page. Patreon is a membership based platform that gives creators like me the opportunity to continue to create the media that you love to watch. For just a few dollars a month, I can give you priority viewing, I can give you special features, informative posts about the things that you want to know. It creates a platform for interaction between you, the viewer, and me, the creator. Now, a few dollars a month might not seem like a lot to you, but for me, collectively, it makes a huge difference. So please check out the link at the bottom of the page, and I appreciate any contribution you can make to make my job sustainable. In return for that, I promise to keep creating great media that you love, dreaming up new projects, filming it and sharing it with you all. Thanks.